This meeting is being recorded.
So very good afternoon to all. I'm audible to everybody. So this meeting is regarding a discussion about the TAP requirements we have for EDICO and HDP. So let me share my screen to understand better. Before going to that, how we can able to go through the, I'm just sharing my screen right away. So very good afternoon to all. The points to be noted here are, I'm the dedicated placement manager for Hyderabad group. So I have people added on this. So furtherly, all the communication will only happen through the WhatsApp group. So the WhatsApp group name is called edubridge placement Hyderabad DPM. Okay. So it is Amirpet. We can also mention that. So to join in this link, like WhatsApp link, a WhatsApp group, then you need to click this link. Okay. You need to click this link. If you just join in this link, then in this link we can able to update all the upcoming tabs, requirement, JDs, and interview status, interview alignment, everything will be discussed there. If you have any suggestion, queries, or solutions also, we can able to discuss. What is the reason behind adding you everybody in this WhatsApp group? Because I cannot send individual WhatsApp or email or other requirements to each and every learner. So what I'm trying to do is like I'm just sending in one go so that now people who are attentive can able to cross check and they can start applying for whatever requirements or tabs we have. So all the new tabs which we updated will also update in the WhatsApp group only. We will not send them separately because you will be added in all the other group like batch group, session groups and everything. But this dedicated placement group is a one of the group which is created by the placement will only be related to the placements and other categories. Okay, so here we'll also discuss about query solution issues need to update only in the group. So here you should not individually post me the resumes or individually post me the links individually, not to disturb in the individual thing. Please, whatever suggestions are there, queries are there, solutions are there, questions are there, please update in the same group so that no, I can thoroughly cross check. I can have this priority based and check the each and every enrollment. Okay. So even we'll also inform whenever we get a new tab, we'll also inform in the same WhatsApp window. Then after updating, you can able to cross check and then you can able to join. If you wanted to have any queries, you can also discuss. For even for mock session, counseling sessions to be conducted, all things will also be updated here. And then we'll also update you. So I think many of the learners know like how to apply tabs, where are the tabs located, how you can able to do it. I do have a dummy ID. So are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? Anyone? Can we have a small yes or no from your end? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah. So when you go for edubridgeindia.com, then you have sign in. So you have to go for your user ID name, user ID, call your phone number and password. I think you know it. After entering the password, you will enter into the dashboard of the page. So in this dashboard, whatever course you have taken, it will be visible in this part. Okay. And then to see the jobs which are available, you need to go for my job section. In my job section, we have three categories. One category is called dashboard, another category is called explore job, and third category is called my application. Again, in this dashboard, you'll have four things where you will have explore jobs. So whatever new jobs are available in the new tabs are available or job details available here, it will be exposed here. And what are the applications you've applied and what are the response for it, and what are the upcoming interviews are there. You'll have scheduled interviews here. If you feel any difficulty, then you can raise a ticket here. Okay, so let's go for exploring the job. Okay, today we have come here to explore two of the jobs. One job is for Edico systems. Okay, so Edico systems is one of the requirements. So how to go through the requirement? Okay, so when you have this particular company called Edico system, just click on that. Then you'll enter into the page where you can able to see the complete details. So here it requires no experience. The salary is ranging from 2.1 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. The location of the job and interview is in Hyderabad. The status to join is immediately. So it is given some of the information about the company, like it is one of the IBM partner which is into this. So what are the eligibility for this? So eligibility stands for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA learners can apply. A new thing has come that only 2022 and 2023 pass outs can able to apply. And here there is a clause missing that only male candidates can apply for this particular job. Okay, the job require a commitment of minimum 3 years. So you need to supply, you need to provide your original certificate if you got selected for 3-year bond. Okay, so they'll be taking all the certificates from you. Application can relocate. So if you are from different places, also no issues anywhere in India, but you need to start working in the Hyderabad location. Okay, so do you have to involve working shifts? So you will be working in shifts like maybe rotating shift, night shift, or any shift, but maximum it will be about night shift. So no pick and drop facility, so you should have your own transportation to come down. So applications should be ready to work from office. So now the COVID has gone, so a lot of learners have to be ready to work from the office. So learners should be trained in full stack Java development program. Anyway, you have got 500 plus hours of training here, and you should have maintained about 60% of the academics like 10th, inter, and BTech. You should have minimum 60% of the percentages. Okay, so application should have school from English medium institutions only. So how to work and everything is detailedly given here. You should have Java knowledge on core Java, advanced Java, JDW, Spring, Hibernate, and testing modules. And apart from that, hoops technology, APIs, JPA integration, SQL integration, Hibernate, and JPA. So this all when they are updating, they should also update in your resume so that your resume gets fit to the given requirement. Okay, and other details are given. The number of openings are 10, and there are 4 rounds of interview, which is HR screening, group discussion, technical screening, and final round. So to apply, just click apply button here, but make sure if you before application you should at least complete 50% of your training. So learners who completed 50% of the training can only apply for this particular tab. Okay, apply for this particular tab. So till here, any queries? Shall I jump to the other requirement? Or I'll take the queries in the end of the thing. So the next step I need to work on is HDB. So just check where is the HDB. So for each page, you'll have five requirements. So here we have discussed about ICICI Lombard, IDF5, personal solutions. Okay. Third page. Okay. So likewise, you can cross-check each and every requirement. If you don't get the requirement, then search the company here, HDB. Okay, if you do not know, just search the okay. So when you search HDB, then all the requirements on HDB will be reflecting here. So HDB bank, we have our Hyderabad location. So to know about this position, this is a requirement where the salary, you don't require any experience. Salary will start from 1.6 lakhs to 2.1 lakh per annum. The location is in Hyderabad, Telangana. There is an immediate joining. So it describes about the company, when it had got started, and what is the role. So important about the job application is like product on home loan. Learner should have to visit the customer places, whoever has taken the home loan or able to take the home loan. Okay, willing to travel, like it is a field sales job. Okay, identify the roles and responsibilities have been given. You can go through the roles and responsibility. And skill required, you should have good languages. Okay, adapting for the reports and everything, pinpoint and export creativity, you can also go through it. So this shift is a day shift only. This any graduate less than 27 age can able to apply. So you'll be getting incentive as per the performance. More than the salary, you'll have incentives. The salary is ranging from up to 2.1 lakh. About that, you will also have some performance. Other PF and other benefits are also given. Should have a face-to-face round, HR screening and operations. So if a couple of learners are from a different location in Bangalore or Chennai, we also have HDB requirement in the same location also, you can cross check the tab and apply for it. Okay, so how to apply and how to read a tab, I think you can able to go through it. I think I gave you a very detailed description. So before coming to that, I'll just go to this page. So what I'm trying to tell you is like, you should have minimum of 50% of completion. Then you should also have 70% of the attendance. Then only you'll be eligible for to doing. Okay. Okay. Before applying for the tab, what you need to do is like, you need to update your resume in a perfect manner. So do not depend on the default resume which is available in the panel. For example, if I just go for a panel, there is a resume here, right? So you can update your resume here, or you can do one thing. You can upload a new resume. Okay, what should a new resume consist of? New resume should be in a PDF format or should be in a document format where at least 2 to 3 pages it should be there, so that no, you should mention every detail like your name, number, and location. Okay, then you'll also have to write I can able to relocate to the pan India, or South India or West India, or whatever it is there, and all the education details with percentages, pass outs here, technical skills, and all the other important like certifications, hobbies, everything should be prepared in one resume. After preparing the resume, just upload the resume here, upload it, and then after uploading, just right click this and then make that resume as a default resume. Okay, when you click here, it is set default now. So you get another resume here. When you upload the resume, this resume, the original resume, which you have every detail, that resume you make it as a default, so that now that resume will be reflected in our bucket, and then we will be sending to the thing. Why? Because in each of the application, here we are not able to see the percentages. So whatever resume you upload in a standard format, here the second resume you make it as a default. Okay. So after making that as a default, apply for a tab, note down the company name, because you will be getting a call on it. Read all the job details before applying for the tab. Okay, if you have any description or details required, you can also ping me in the chat window. So this requirement, I need some explanation, then we can give them some explanation in the WhatsApp group. When application is submitted, it will come to dedicated placement manager, means it will come to me. Then I will get a call, you will be getting a call for a final correction. Like if you missed out, if you wrongly applied, or if you applied but you're not able to relocate, or there is some difficulty, if there is an interview for some date and then you're not able to go for that interview, so I'll take up a review and everything is there, then I'll send you for the next level, so that that thing will go for the interview lineup. When interview lineup is done, then you'll be getting an interview call, you'll be attending the interview, and final selection will happen, and then you'll be entering into the placement category. So this is what we wanted to help you out. Okay. Some, yeah, learners, do you have any queries? So some of them will have a query that, let me go back. Number one, in their profile, you should give this 3 details mandatory, because most of the companies are asking for this. So you should mention your grade in 10th standard, 12th standard, and BTech standard. Okay. In personal details, personal details. Yeah, no, 1 minute. So most of them will also have a query that where will be their enrollment number. So this is the enrollment number they have to maintain. Okay. So what is the batch number? They should know what is this batch number. Okay. So these 2 things, you please make a note. If you have a call on it, we can able to discuss furtherly on it. Okay. So I think I'm done with the thing. So if you have any queries, we can able to discuss on the queries right now.